There you go, Nettie.
Nah.
Double up.
Double.
There he is. Made it to Dick's. About to chow down on some of these disco fries and then find ourselves a new ultralight. Let's get in there. Forgot to bring my reel. Alrighty. To the fishing section we go. Oh, that's very whippy. No. Too whippy for me. It does feel pretty good. Come back to that. $50. Alright, time to buy it. Couldn't find anything else we were looking for. No, that's okay.
Just the beater. The right.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Pretty much. It's replaced. I just broke 2 of them, so I'm replacing it. And I've actually already had 2 of these rods in a bigger version, and I broke them as well. So
Ooh.
I usually break them if they're gonna break. It happens quickly, so I know I could come back and return it anyway.
Yeah.
So I don't do the protection plan. 2 years. If it breaks, I'll take the loss. But have a good one. Thank you very much. Alrighty, rod is secured. Hopefully this thing doesn't break on me like the last 2 did. Same exact rods, Berkeley Lightning rods. I got 2 of them when they were on sale for $35, now they're $50. But back again to try to put a bend in this ultralight rod. I bought another ultralight. Since I broke 2, I figured I should replace 2. But tried fishing them the day I got the first one. Again, rainy, cold, crappy weather. It's just kind of been the story over here in New York lately. The weather gives you a week of niceness. It's 60 degrees, 70 some days, and then a week of 40s and rain. You know, I mean, that's April, that's spring, but driving back down to Wolf's Pond with both ultralights, hopefully we can catch something. We are back trying to catch fish on the new ultralight. It's not been working out for me. Mr. Jake in the cut. Oh, you're just gonna fish my new ultralight like that?
Isn't that what the video's about?
not you fishing it. The GoPro is soaked. Let me see that squirt. Oh, almost knocked you in, huh? Cannot wait to catch a fish on this god dang rod. Give me this, you're doing too slow for me. Too slow for me. Wow, I skipped it. That's about it. There you go, Nettie.
Nah.
Double up.
Double up.
Double up.
What's up with that shit?
Oh, that's a big crappie. I thought mine was a bass. That's a big crappie. Let's go, Nettie. What'd you say?
That is a big crappie.
For here? That's a real big crappie. Where's he hooked? In the bottom of his mouth? Come here, buddy. Need help?
I wasn't doing it.
Yay!
Yeah.
Hers is the best.
Mine's a bad.
Mine's is just a bigger crappie than I usually get from here. Ah,
Thank you.
double up, Nettie. We out here.
I
We
went back
out here.
from-
We got green. Good shit. Your turn, Jake. That is the first bend I finally got to put in the ultralight. I like it. It's actually stiffer than I thought. Things are turning on though. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna catch a fish from over.
Me too.
Nice! That was the most quiet. He ate it at the surface. Ate it right at the surface. Yeah.
Bud.
Pulled them up right from the surface.
Hey, bud.
Yeah, there's some crappie here tonight. That's a big crappie. Watch your rod tip. I thought her rod was snapping right there. Here all of a sudden. It's been bass.
What the?
Did a backflip.
Daddy's on again. They're loving her color.
Firework.
Damn, these crappie are fighting good. Holy crap. Oh my god, look at the way he's hooked. A tiny little piece of skin through the eye. Oh, I feel so bad.
Oh.
Alright, I got it out nicely. Got that black line down his head.
I didn't see if mine did.
They all do here.
Oh.
Season. Gotta go do some trout fishing. Peace out,
Peace out.
Eddie. Good night. Yeah. Pretty much. That's gonna wrap things up for me as well. I'm tired. Not cold. Well, it is cold out, but I could bear with this all night, but I work in the morning and I'm too tired, so overall not terrible. I got to put a bend in one of the ultralight rods. Still yet to catch something on this. I may abort this whole panfish, crappie, small bass mission and decide to run out to Jersey or maybe even Pennsylvania and get on some trout. I mean, call the Trout Series rod. It does feel like it's perfectly made for some trout, especially the smaller creekside fish. I think it's going to be really nice. But that's it for this one, guys.